Hi there, it's Noah from Thrive, and I'm going to show you really quickly how to use Loom to send me feedback on your website. Now, Loom is a free piece of software used to create very simple videos of your screen, which you can use to tell me exactly where on your website you need something fixed, where you'd like something added, and you've probably seen me send you a number of these videos. In fact, I can see here I have 1,282 videos that have been created through Loom. And to install it, all you need to do is go to loom.com, click on Get Loom for free. It's going to ask you to sign up using Google, or you can just put in your email address and create an account. Now, what that's going to do is install an extension on your browser. So, for example, up here, all these different extensions. And if you would like to record your screen, you simply click the Loom icon and it'll start recording your screen. You stop the button, and then it provides you a link that you can just send me. This is 3 times as effective as writing an email as far as your time. And as far as ambiguity goes, I will always know what you mean if you're literally showing me on your screen. And don't worry about making the video perfect. You just need to convey what you'd like to get done or what the issue is on your website, and we'll take care of that right away. This is going to allow us to save you time and money by sending me requests that take less time for me to do because there's less back and forth and less ambiguity. Thank you so much for your help.